Okay, now let us discuss what is Hongsa technique. Before we do that, let us first see what we have discussed so far. We have seen what meditation is. Meditation is stilling the mind and reaching that stage where there are no thoughts and there is only pure, intense awareness. We are just remaining in that awareness. That is meditation. And we have also seen meditation is a process and also a destination. Meditation is also doing and being, remaining there. We reach that stage through certain techniques and then we remain in that stage. That is meditation. We have also seen the body-mind relationship, and we have also seen how to sit properly, body straight, chin parallel to the ground, and our hands should be here. This is how we sit. We have seen that. We have also done 2 pranayama techniques, breathing technique, through which we can still our body and we can also still our mind through measured breathing. First we did intensing and relaxing breathing and then measured breathing. Through this we are stilling our body. Now we will come to Hongsa technique. Hongsa technique is very ancient. For thousands and thousands of years, it has been practiced in India by so many sages. It was handed down through generation to generation, and it has got its that divine power for that technique. And let me first explain what is Hongsa technique. Hongsa, it's a sound, it's a mantra, it's a bija mantra, the seeding sound. The meaning of that word is Hong, Ham Saha, Hong Sa, Hong, I am spirit, I am spirit. It is a bija mantra, which means it has got a surrendering or dissolving quality. Hong, dissolving, Sa, merging sound. It has got that power in that sound. We use that. And what we do in Hongsa is we are watching the breath. We are watching whose breath? Our own breath. So we become a witness to our breath. So what happens when we watch the breath? Our mind comes down. The agitation of the mind will come. Mind will be more relaxed, more relaxed. When mind relaxes, what happens? Thought also relaxes. So it has got a feedback system. When we watch the breath, the breath comes down. It becomes shallower and shallower and shallower. When that happens, our thoughts become less and less and less. And a stage will come where there are no thoughts. This is how it works. And when we do this, we have to mentally say Hongsa. When we are breathing through the nose and we are breathing through the nostrils. Breathing in and breathing out, both through the nostrils. And when we breathe in, we mentally say Hong. When we breathe out, Sa. Hong, Sa. Hong, Sa. But without making any noise, without making any lip movement, we say mentally only. No sound, unheard sound. There's no sound, but mentally it resonates. Hong, Sa. Hong, Sa. According to the rhythm of breathing in and breathing out. There is one more aspect to that. When we do that, our mind always wants something. When we do that, we can move our finger. This right hand's index finger, gently, Hong, Sa, Hong, Sa. I'm producing the sound now just to demonstrate. But actually when we do it, we don't do the sound. Hong, Sa, Hong, Sa. So this is how we do the Hongsa mantra. Sitting always straight. And when the mind becomes quieter and quieter and quieter, a stage will come where the breath may also stop. Naturally stopping. We are not forcing anything. Naturally stopping. If it happens, that's very good. No thought, no breath. And in that stage, we have reached that thoughtless stage. So this is the technique. we remain that for some time. We will try that first, and then after that, we let go of the technique. Now, for a brief, just for demonstration, we will try it first. Sit erect, please. Yeah. Relaxed. Your hands on your thigh, where it joins the torso. Look straight. Chin parallel to the ground. Spine erect. Through the nostril. Take a regular breathing first. Breathe in, breathe out. Regular. Just watch the breath. You can do one thing. You can keep your finger first. Can you feel the breath in your nose when you breathe? Can you feel? Yes, you can feel. Okay. If you can even try with your finger, like if it is difficult for you to feel, you can try your finger like this. Breathe out first. Breathe in, breathe out. You can feel your breath touching your fingers. When the breath is going in, it is cool. When the breath is coming out, it is a little bit warm. So that is how you sensitizing. You can feel it, and many people can feel it without this itself. We can feel it in the nostril. So feel that breath. Wherever you feel it, pay attention to that. And that is how you go in and out. Breathe in, breathe out. So let us try just once. Just only one. No, 2 times we'll just try. Sit erect. Slowly breathe in. Feel the breath in your nostril. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. This is how you do the breathing. At that time, we mentally say Hong Sa and also move the fingers. So this is the technique. What we will do this technique for about 2 minutes. Then what we'll do, we will release that technique and come out of the technique, but we stay in that state. So there is a transition point where we stop the technique, we will let go of the technique and we switch over to the being stage. The technique, Hong Sa technique, is to reach there, that thoughtless state. And then we stay in that state. At that time, we are letting go of the technique. How do we do that? We inhale, slowly inhale, and through the nostril and through the mouth 3 times. I'll demonstrate 1 time. But very gently. Very, very gently we do that. Okay, that is how we let go of the technique. Then we stay in that state of peace, the peace we experience at that time, we stay in that state of mind. And how do we do that? Your attention, when you close your eyes, always your attention is on the middle of the eyebrows. Yesterday we have seen how do we sit, your fingers straight, a little bit up, and take your hands off, close your eyes and take your hands off. But where you have seen the fingers before, that is where you are internally looking at. Okay. Your eyeballs are parked in that way. So that is where your eyeballs are. And you stay there experiencing that peace which the meditative state have presented to you. We stay there for some time. And then slowly bring back your awareness to the external world and come out, open your eyes and come. This is the process of Hong Sa and how we stay in that peaceful state. Okay. Now, let us try from the beginning 1 round. Means we will do the tensing, relaxing, then we will do equal count breathing, and then we'll do the Hong Sa technique for 2 minutes, and then 1 minute we will be doing the meditation part of it, is staying there. Then we will slowly come out of it. All right. So please sit erect. Yeah. Your feet flat on the ground and keep your hands here. First, tensing relaxing exercise. This is to relax our physical body. We will do that 3 times. Yesterday we discussed, we take double breath in and double breath out through the nostril and through the mouth. I will demonstrate one time. Vibrate. This is what we are going to do first. Then, just to recap your memory, we will equal inhalation to the 4 counts. I will do 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in through the nostril. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this, we will do 3 times. Then we will move into Hongsa by witnessing our breath. We'll do for 2 minutes, and then we will do 1 minute of meditative state. Then we will come out of it. All right? Let us start. Sit erect, hands on the lap at the junction where it joins your body, chin parallel to the ground. And first, tensing. Double breath in. Vibrate. Exhale. Again. Once more. One regular breath. Now, equal measure breathing to the count of 4 through the nostrils. 1, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let the breath come back to the normalcy. Breathe regularly as you breathe normally. And now we will start Hongsa. Your eyeballs parked, as I said earlier, looking at the eye, in between the eyebrows. Inhale. Just watch your breath. No measuring, no counting. Simply watch and observe when the breath enters your nostrils. Mentally follow the path. Feel it there, and when it enters, mentally say Hong Sa, Hong Sa, Hong Sa, only mentally. And now you add the finger movement. As the breath moves in, curl your right index finger slightly towards the palm, and as it leaves, say Sa and relax the fingers. Repeat this. Be a witness of your breath. If your mind wanders, gently but firmly bring it back and observe as a witness of your breathing. Hong Sa. Mentally only. Check your eyes are parked, as I said before, looking at the eyebrows internally up. Continue this. Be a witness to your breath. No controlling, no regulation, just watching your breath. In and out, in and out. Now, let us let go of the technique. Gently inhale through the nostrils and gently 3 times exhale through the mouth. Gently. Remain in that peace which you have experienced now. The vast expanse of the universe you can see within yourself. Peace. You are that peace. Now prepare yourself to come back to the outer world. Slowly open your eyes. Become aware of the room and your surroundings. Carry this peace with your next activity in life and share this peace with everybody around. How do you feel?
Relaxed.
So this is how we reach the meditative state and how we stay there. Is there any questions you want to ask? Any clarifications? That's clear. So carry this peace wherever you go, whatever you do in your life. So regularity is very important, and in an intense desire to do that, keep a time, do it every day, and most importantly, keep that desire. It's like a fire burning inside you to experience your peace, to experience this peace and share it with the rest of the world. Thank you very much.